Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be learning how to use the Magic Media feature in Canva. So from the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Magic Media. Now you see 4 options: images, graphics, videos and 3D. All work by simply entering a text or description, also known as a prompt. So let's start with AI images first. I have a prompt written with me in the notes. I'll just quickly go ahead and copy and paste it on my screen. And let's click on generate. So within few seconds, Canva creates multiple unique images based on your description. Now you see 4 images and you can notice how highly detailed every image is. Cozy mountains in the background, just like we mentioned in the prompt, warm lights, a cozy cabin, and generate more images just like these. Now click on the image that you like, zoom in and see how cinematic this image is. Sunset in the background. Now let's go ahead and change the layout and generate more images. Click on landscape, click on generate again. So here you see the same image in landscape layout. Now you can generate these images in different styles such as filmic, high flash, minimalist, 3D. You can choose according to the mood. Now let's see how graphics work. Click on graphics, click on inspire again. A prompt was automatically generated. Click on generate and you see 4 images. Now select a different style for the same image. Click on organic, generate again, wait for a few seconds. So here you see the result according to the style we chose. Let's generate more images with a different style. Click on hand-drawn. Let me just quickly copy paste the previous style design so that I can show you the difference. So now you see the difference between the organic style and the hand-drawn style. So now let's click on the videos option. I have a prompt in my notes. I'll just quickly copy paste it. A spaceship slowly flying through colorful and shiny galaxies, cinematic camera movement, high quality. Let's generate the video. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes for the video to be generated. You can generate a 5 seconds video or a 10 seconds video. So yeah, here's your generated video. So you can see how unrealistic this video looks. A spaceship flying in the colorful galaxies. The video is high quality, the lighting is cinematic, slow camera movement just like you're watching a movie. Now let's generate 3D visuals. Click on the 3D option. The prompt: superhero standing on a rooftop of a building. Click on generate. So here are the 4 images. Let's click on one of these images. Let's click on this image. You see how professional this look and are perfect for thumbnails. You can use them in presentations, product mock-ups, or you can even use them in your social media content. Let's rotate it in 360 degrees. Let's click on the inspire again option and try any other example. A red apple with a small stem. Wait for a few seconds. The result is still loading and yeah, so here are all these images. Let's click on this image. You can rotate it. Let's click on the rotate 3D option. You can see all the angles from here, and it's done. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Fundas Rosanna, and let me know in the comments which Canva AI feature you'd like me to cover next.